Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2019 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and more. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.